Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 1, that is the lost child. As you all know, that is the author of this chapter is Mulk Raj Anand. So, very first, I would like to share the chapter sketch. Okay, it means in short we can share the read the chapter. Okay, summary, as we can say the chapter sketch. Okay, summary also. So in this chapter, the lost child, the author means author, and who's the author is the Mulk Raj Anand, tries to explore the mind of a child. Okay, he wants to explore the mind of a child. This story also highlights a child's love for his parents, and the child goes to a fair with his parents. He is very excited, wants sweets and toys displayed there. His parents don't buy these things for him, but very soon he gets separated from his parents in the fair, as he is left behind looking at various toys and other things. When he realized that his parents are nowhere near him, okay, so he starts crying, and he refuses everything which he offered by others. Okay, when a stranger man consoles him and offered the things which he liked earlier, but he refuses everything. He only wants his parents and keeps crying, okay, in search for his parent, that I want my mother and I want my father. So this is the chapter sketch in short. And about the characters of this chapter, so the lost child is the central character of this chapter, is the a child. Okay, so the lost child is the central character who gets lost. Okay, so he is the central character of the chapter, who gets fascinated with the items at the village spring fair, and he loses contact with his parents, and he becomes heartbroken when he lost his parents. He loses interest in everything and cries for his parents. Okay, and another character are his parents. Okay, the parents of the child, they keep on asking the child to remain with them, but are careless enough to lose him at the fair. Okay, the parents are the also the characters which we have read in the chapter. And the another character is the person who found him. Okay, now the person who found him in the fair is a very helpful person who tries to distract the child. Okay, when he lost, then a person tried to console and try to distract the child by offering him many things, but he fails. Okay, because child wants only my my father and mother. As you see in this picture, there are lots of rush, the crowds in this picture here. So child only wants that his parents and father and mother when he lost. So now we can say this is a person who found him is a kind-hearted man. Okay, there is a big crowd, and the little child tries to make his way between the feet of people. Okay, but after hearing the cry of the child when he lost his parents, a stranger, we can say a gentleman, lends a helping hand to him. Okay, he helped him. Okay, he helped him. So this gentleman offers goodies and joyous rides in order to console the lost child, but the child will have none of them. Instead, he longs to meet his parents. He wants only his mother and father. So basically this is the chapter. And in this chapter we read that the child goes to a fair with his parents. He attracted many things in the fair. On the way to the fair, the child enjoys every moment and gets fascinated towards the beauty of nature, natural beauty, we can say. In the fair also, the child is attracted towards sweets and toys in the shop, display in the shop, and he also feels attracted towards the garland of gulmohar, sweets just like delicious gulab jamun. But every time his parents resist from buying anything for him. Now on the way to the fair, the child also wants to play, climb trees, catch the dragonflies, butterflies, but again his parents won't let him to do any of this thing. Now here the child wants to see the snake charmer. He likes the music played by the snake charmer and wants to stay there for some time, but his parents do not approve. So as the child moves on with his parents, he sees a roundabout and he also wants to go on that, but his parents, as you all know, won't allow him to go on that ride. So this is the story. Basically in this story, the author wants to deliver a message through this story, that we are also the child of God, okay, Almighty. We are also the children of God, okay, and we lost in the fear of the world. हम इस दुनिया में खो चुके हैं. सो बेसिकली इन दिस स्टोरी जो मुल्क राज आनंद है वो हमें ये मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि ये बच्चा इस मेले में खो जाता है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें से अट्रैक्ट होता है. सो हम भी इस दुनिया में खो चुके हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ों से हम अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, फैसिनेट होते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द मैसेज, हिडन मैसेज बाय द मुल्क राज आनंद, and he wanted to deliver this message to us through this chapter. So this chapter is a heart touching story with a sad ending, and I also want to share you one thing, that you also spend your time with your parents while you can, but one day when you look up from your busy life, they won't be there anymore. So just spend your precious time with your parents, respect them, obey them, okay. So this is the chapter, and if you have any kind of doubt, just message me, just share what's your doubt, just send your message to me, okay.